Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I am Muhammad Hari Indra Kusuma and I'm from Merchant Marine Polytechnic of Semarang. And this is my final examination and I would like to explain about how to conduct routine VHF communication according to SMCP.
Okay.
SMCP, Standard Marine Communication Press, is the most important navigational and safety communication at sea that used to communication between ship to shore, and international onboard communication, which must be said clearly. And then, how to conduct initial call. Initial call is used to call other party, and the structure is number 1. Call the vessel name, followed by call sign or other identification of the vessel 1 until 3 times. And then number 2, identify yourself and name of your ship. Then identify other like call sign, MMSI or others, same 1 until 3 times. Number 3, MSG, deliver what you wanna say. You might confirm that other ship can hear you clear or not. And the last, say over to confirm that you have finished your call. And then for the example like this: motor vessel glory, motor vessel glory, motor vessel glory. Call sign Bravo Bravo Charlie. This is motor vessel Coco. Call sign Alpha Alpha Bravo. How do you read me? Over. And how to say position, latitude and longitude. Why to say by mentioning one by one. For the example like motor vessel glory, position, latitude 10 degrees 10 minute north, longitude 20 degrees 20 decimal 2 minute east. And how to bearing and distance. Way to say is also by mentioning one by one. The example like this: my position is bearing 200 degrees from true buoy number 1, distance 2 miles. And the next, how to use message marker. Message marker are used before a statement and to make the communication clear, and also minimize misunderstanding in radio VHF. There are 8 message markers may be used. Number 1 is instruction, number 2 is advice, number 3 warning, number 4 information, number 5 question, number 6 an answer, number 7 request, and the last is number 8 intention. And the number 1 instruction. Instruction message marker is message that consists instruction that only given by the authority and must be followed by the ship or object that receive his message for safety reason. Or regulation, the way to deliver using you must or do not. The example like instruction, do not cross the ferry. And number 2, advice. This indicates that the message sender give an advice and the decision whether to follow or not stay with the recipient, but should be considered very carefully. The example like advice: Stand by on VHF channel 16. Number 3. Warning. Indicate that the following message implies the intention of the sender to inform others about the danger. The example like warning, obstruction in the foreway. This number 4. Information. This indicates that the following message is used for deliver fact, situation, and the others. And the example like this. Information. Motor vessel Glory will overtake to the west of you. Number 5. Question. This indicates that the message marker is used for remove any doubt on whether a question is being asked or statement being made, especially when interrogative such what, where, why, who, and how are additionally used at the beginning of the question. The example like this. Question. What is your present position? Number 6. For answer. This message marker is used to reply a previous question. And the example like answer. My present draft is 07 meters. Number 7. Request. This indicates that the following message is asking for action from others with respect to the vessel. Request must not be used involving navigational or to modify correct. The example like request. I require tug assistance. Number 8. Intention. This indicates that the following message informs the others about immediate navigational action intended to be taken. The example like intention. I will reduce my speed. And not. Number 1. When you using message marker, when the question is affirmative, say yes. If in negative, say no. And then to respond the instruction, you may say I will not, or I cannot. And number 3 is say understood, to make sure that you understand the message. The example like information. Pilot is approaching your vessel. Understood. Pilot is approaching my vessel. How to stress an important message using repeat? We say by saying I repeat after the important message. I repeat to stress the important message. Understood to acknowledge the message. The example like motor vessel Glory, call sign Bravo Bravo Charlie. Do not overtake. I repeat, do not overtake. Over. Motor vessel Coco, call sign Delta Echo Foxtrot. This is motor vessel Glory. Understood. I will not overtake. Over. How to ask other person to repeat his message because you cannot hear clearly using say again. To use say again, you can say again after you identify yourself. For the example, like motor vessel Glory, call sign Bravo Bravo Charlie. This is motor vessel Coco. Please say again your position. I hear you bad. Over. The response is like motor vessel Coco, call sign Delta Echo Foxtrot. This is motor vessel Glory. My position is bearing 10 degrees from buoy number 1 and distance 1 mile. Over. How to do correction with your wrong message by saying mistake correction. Way to use that is by saying mistake correction after you wrong message and followed by the correction message. And the example like motor vessel Glory, call sign Bravo Bravo Charlie. This is motor vessel Coco. My heading is 10 degrees. Mistake correction. My heading is 15 degrees. Over. thank you for watching. See you next time and ciao.